Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds EDIFIER NeoDots with your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to Connected Devices or Bluetooth. At the top click Pair New Device, and after that open the charging case. If it's your first connection, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. Also, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically after factory reset, but we will do it manually. And at the right side we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this connectional button. And now, as you can see, this LED light start blinking, so we just enter to pairing mode manually. And now we should see this earbuds at the device list. Tap on them and then click Pair. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!